In 1979, goSafe began as a medical and surgical safety supply company, operating under the name Medsafe at a facility in Marshall, Texas. Over the years, the company expanded into additional markets, with a larger focus on safety supplies and PPE. Eventually, Medsafe became goSafe. Since 2011, goSafe has been operating out of our 100,000 square foot corporate headquarters and distribution hub in Porte, Texas. Over the last 4 decades, the company has grown into one of the most substantial privately held distributors of industrial safety, occupational health, and industrial hygiene supplies in the United States. Our location near the Houston Ship Channel and its multitude of refining operations, combined with the size of our facility and the variety of products we stock, ensures that our customers get the products they need when they need them. To service customers in other areas, we operate multiple stocking locations, allowing us to serve customers across the continental U.S. and abroad. goSafe services a wide variety of industries. The primary channels we service are aviation, construction, energy production, firefighting, food services, healthcare, manufacturing, municipalities, oil and gas, petrochemical, refining, schools, transportation, and utilities. goSafe has always had a unique relationship with Reliance Fall Protection. Reliance is located just down the street from goSafe, allowing us immediate access to products, personnel, and Reliance testing facilities. This, in turn, allows our customers complete access to the highest quality fall protection on the market. At Reliance, solutions are engineered and manufactured based on how equipment is actually used in the field, not just on industry standards. Reliance mechanical devices are assembled and serviced on-site. And Reliance soft goods go from raw materials to finished products in the Reliance Manufacturing Center. This process ensures the highest possible level of quality control. Reliance is the industry leader in engineered horizontal systems and has a reputation for being able to provide unique, effective solutions for the most challenging fall protection scenarios. goSafe is an authorized repair center for Reliance Fall Protection, as well as several other leading fall protection manufacturers. We perform self-retracting lifeline inspection, repair, and recertification according to manufacturer standards. goSafe is also a fully certified instrumentation repair facility and can provide full diagnosis, repair, and calibration of a variety of makes and models of electronic monitoring equipment from the industry's best-selling brands. goSafe is a warranty repair center for BW products. As such, we can help manage the repair, recertification, and distribution of your inventory across a national platform. goSafe offers a wide variety of PPE solutions from the most trusted brands in the industry. We partner with our customers to educate them on product application and can assist them in making the proper selection. If your needs extend beyond personal protective equipment, our comprehensive catalog of products guarantees that goSafe is your one-stop shop for the solutions you're seeking. goSafe has a complete customization unit on-site at our facility in Porte. The unit specializes in embroidery, 6-color printing, digital transfers, and pad printing. Just a few of the items we can customize include hard hats, safety vests, FR clothing, safety eyewear, safety awards, gear bags, and much, much more. goSafe offers over 42 years of experience supporting both national companies with multiple locations as well as smaller businesses. National companies look to goSafe because we focus on all aspects of safety, from equipment and education to internal culture throughout large organizations. We have experience and expertise developing programs at the corporate level and delivering the solution to the job site. We have an extensive network of vendors to provide you with a wide selection of PPE and safety products. goSafe has extensive experience supplying large projects around the country. As such, we know what needs are experienced through different stages of large-scale projects. We can supply the right products to support your teams, no matter the industry, and we know what you need to keep your team stocked and safe. At goSafe, we think of everything, so you don't have to. Our years of experience in supply chain management assures that you'll have access to the products you need when you need them. goSafe can make strategic product recommendations based on your needs and assist you in setting PPE standards that will help keep your teams safe. goSafe can help to reduce the number of products you need and leverage your spending by managing that reduction in inventory. We're also able to use the experience we've gained from other projects to implement strategy across your platform. Emergencies happen. goSafe stocks the products you need and, if necessary, can expedite delivery. Decisions about your company's programs begin and end with our management team. This means new ideas are implemented quickly, and your issues are always addressed immediately. goSafe's technical innovations allow us to offer effective solutions to your safety challenges. At goSafe.com, dedicated login for your individual job sites allows you to see the details of your specific program. Personalized hot lists can be created to reflect your standards, and lists of approved or recurring purchased items are available here for quick ordering. You have the ability to administrate the users on your account to restrict privileges as needed. And goSafe also offers easy payment options. You can pay by standard purchase order or by utilizing a P card or credit card. At goSafe, safety is our only focus, and we'll partner with you to keep you and your teams safe. We're small enough to handle your local projects, yet large enough to serve national accounts. If safety is your mission, it starts with us. Thanks for watching.